Hola, papi.
A little bit of Anastasia for these bitch ass hoes. My highlights fucking poppin'.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about these beautiful Malaysian bundles from Klaiyi hair. We have a 16-inch frontal, 18 and 2 22-inch bundles of the Malaysian natural wave hair. Like, I'm living for it. I'm loving it. It's so low maintenance and just so effortlessly pretty. Like, I live. So yeah, I'm going to go through how I install my hair, what I've been using to install it, finessing these little baby hairs so I can live my best life, my best fantasy, because I've never had them in real life, and what I do to upkeep this hair on like a daily basis whenever I do decide to wear it, and like co-washing and all that stuff. And I'll tell you all the products I use and how often I do it. So if you would like to see how I take care of these beautiful natural wave hair from Klaiyi, just keep on watching. Because it's lit. Always and forever. Lit. Alright, so we're going to get into this installation tutorial, because from when I first started putting on wigs to now wearing wigs, we do some things a little different. We use a few different little things, and I'm going to show you what I do. Actually, today we're going to still try something new. I'm not going to wear a wig cap, because I found, I don't know, I stretch the wig caps out, but they still be like cutting off my circulation. Like, or am I allergic to the glue? Who knows? But we're gonna see. We're gonna try it today. Why every time I try to do a video I got a pimple somewhere? That's annoying. But anyway, the hair we will be using today is the Klaiyi, Klaiyi, that natural wave. I love this hair because it is so low maintenance. All I gotta do, I'm gonna show you that too, my maintenance on it, like what I do to like refluff the curls, rejuvenate the curls, and all that stuff. We're actually gonna detangle and do all of that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I want to do is skip, but first let's show off these fresh straight to the backs, because they're never fresh. They're always grown out. We're not gonna worry about any edges, slicking them down, none of that, because they're fresh, and none of this will be out. Boy, I got a big old forehead. Wow, massive. Anyway, so basically what I would do is I would slick my hair back because it would be all outgrown. Put on my wig cap, use some Got to Be, blow dry that down so the wig cap is secure. Maybe that's what's doing it. I don't know, but we're not gonna wear one today. But we're gonna skip all of that, and we're just gonna go straight to the glue. And the glue that I'll be using is the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. I like it so far. I also like Ghost Bond. Got to Be, it's a wrap. It's no point. I'm gonna use what I have left. I do like it for like doing edges, because my edges on my weaves just don't be trying to stay with this little foam wrap stuff. But as far as using it to adhere a whole wig, it's dead. It stays for a day, if that. Let me get a little bit warm, not even workout warm, just let me get a little bit. It's sliding back, don't have time. So we're gonna use Bold Hold, and it says to put on layers, but I haven't really been needing like layers. I'll do my little thug thizzle, put it across the hairline, and you see how much I shrink my forehead? What is that, like 1/4 of an inch? We be trying to shrink the forehead. Just do these little dots and a little thin layer. Grab the blow dryer on a cool setting, do that for a couple seconds, and I might do another layer of it. Alright, so that was about 20 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and lay down another layer just to be secure. And as you saw how that, ooh, that was a lot, disappeared, it does dry clear. You gotta take your time with it. And I really tried my hardest not to even get it on my hair. Like, there's They have the remover little cream that you can use, and there's other, you know, solvents that break this glue down. But I just try not to get it in my hair at all because I'm impatient. So if it gets in my hair, I'm gonna be over here playing with it, and that's literally gonna pull your hair out. And my edges just started growing back, so you know, we're gonna try and keep them glorious. Alright, so I toss it on and then throw it back, and we try to grab the lace and make sure that it is flat. We don't need the lace to be bunching up or rolled under, because that's just getting glue on parts of the lace we don't need glue on. Alright, above the ears. So now, and this stuff's sticky. It's the only thing I don't like about glue. Like, it's glue. It be sticking, especially if you don't move fast enough. Look at me pulling out hair, trying to do too much at one time. Folks texting, folks calling. It's just a lot going on. You want to make sure the hair is out the way as much as possible. We're just trying to stick the lace, not the hair, just the lace. Because that just creates a whole nother thing you got to deal with. See, I'm over here trying to rub glue off my fingers because it be sticking to everything. Nah. Probably should have rinsed them edges off. But did we? No. I'm gonna go back and press that. Secure the wig. Secure the wig. I'm just using my fingertips. We're gonna go back through and redo these edges. Detangle her. Refluff her. Recurl her. Rejuvenate her. And slay her. Like, she's just lit, okay? She's just lit. And this is 3 bundles and a frontal of the Malaysian Natural Wave. Like, I live. I really wish I knew where my edge toothbrush was. So we about to struggle with these edges, y'all. Because, baby, I already don't be knowing what I be doing. And then trying to do it with a comb or something. Sheesh. Alright, so now I'm really over here trying to think about how I'm about to do these edges without no toothbrush. Because I still have not unpacked. It's damn near a week later. And here we are, still looking around for stuff that should be back in its home place by now. Alright, so again, trying to keep the hair, the majority of the hair out the way. I just really like this hair. It's just so natural and like effortless looking, and I think that's what I love about it the most. It's so low maintenance. I think it's great for summertime because it'd be too hot to be trying to do all that styling and stuff. Like, your hair gonna frizz up, your hair curls gonna fall, like, you just never know. So this is just like a water wave type of situation, just lazy hair. Alright, so now we're gonna take our little foam wrap to hopefully loosen up these pre-laid edges because they not laying right no more. Yeah, girl, loosen up. Loosen up so you can get relayed. You kind of want to be gentle so you don't pull the hairs out. That's how you start making your frontal bald. And we don't want that. Frontals cost too much money to be going bald and reconstructing wigs and all of that jazz. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. And I really tried my best not to get, actually I really didn't. But what you don't want to do is kind of what I did. And because the instructions say to not get it wet so it, you know, can cure. Clearly I just got it wet because I need to lay my edges. All right, we're gonna try and get this finger work to these edges because I don't think it will work right with a comb. So we're just gonna start from the ear and try and finesse these mugs to a curl. I'm just using my olive oil gel. This big mother. The Eco Styler olive oil gel. But we got edges. Oh, all right, take a little blow dryer to that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and tie that down and let that like cement itself while we detangle and fool with the rest of this hair. All right, so we're detangled. Now it's time to rejuvenate her. I literally just took my paddle brush, started from the ends, worked my way up all around the hair to detangle her so she goes like that. Straight through. No kinks. No nothing. Soft and fluffy. Alright, so my concoction. The concoction to rejuvenate the hair, I just have a normal spray bottle. I already have some water in it and product residue, but I put in my favorite conditioner of the moment, really one that just smells good. So I'll be using the Orchard Organics Orchard Oil Conditioner. That's what we'll be using today. I really just go for whatever one smells good. We have the Organics Curling Perfection Defining Cream. Just a curl cream. And lastly, some detangler. We just want it, you know, and this one smells good. This one's actually for kids. I've just had it forever, so I'm just gonna use it until it's gone. Shake her up, shake her up, shake her up, shake them. So usually I'll do this whenever I decide to wear this wig. It actually really probably needs to be washed at this point, but we wasn't about to do all that today. But I do this when I'm about to wear her, so she's not normally completely detangled. She's more so just needs some refluffing. But we about to see, and I'm probably about to drench this backdrop. So we're just gonna spray her and then scrunch. Spray and scrunch, spray and scrunch. You want to get her really wet and then just scrunch. Bring those little wave curls back. Probably end up needing another bottle of water and products. Spray and scrunch. Spray and scrunch. And I feel like the curls, the hair bundles hold a better curl than the frontal, but they're all really pretty. The frontal waves are just looser, and the bundles are a little more defined. See them forming already. She's so pretty. And this hair doesn't take long to dry, so we're gonna go ahead and do our makeup. Well, this does its, all right. Well, this does its stuck thistle. And then we'll be back. Cause, that's it. We ain't gotta put no heat to her. No, none. We ain't really gotta part her. We just gonna flip her over. So, we'll be back after these beat face messages. All right, so we have our natural waves with the beat face shoulder. So yes, this is the finished results. They're still a little damp, not completely dry, but I feel fire. Okay, I feel fiery. I feel like I don't know. That's a little shoulder work. That's how I feel. That's what I feel like. So yes, this is our completed look. Our little hair tutorial maintenance suggestions for this Klaiyi Malaysian natural wave hair. So yes, absolutely loving it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay trill.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Poppin.